OK, into the guest room.
Thank you.
Now, Amy, I'm guessing a little bit that this might have been your old bedroom.
Yes, because it's beautiful.
And it's quite pink.
Yes, I like pink.
Sort of pinky lilac. What's this room used for now?
Dumping.
Right, OK. Now, I know that today we really want to give this room something completely different, and I thought it'd just make the most perfect gym in here for her, so that she can use it on her own at home. You know, you guys can come here, you can help out. She can still come to you at the gym, and she can still do it all here as well. Breffney, tell me a bit about what she does to rehabilitate.
Well, she comes to me regularly at the gym and we go through some cardiovascular exercise on an upper body cycle to keep her heart and lungs healthy, and then we do lots of stability and mat work to help keep the postural muscles working, things like that. So turning this room into a gym would be fantastic because she'll have somewhere right next door to her bedroom to come and keep fit.
Guest bedroom, which has now become the gym. Breffney, how are you getting on?
Really well, thanks. Yeah, really well. We're nearly all done in here and it's looking brilliant.
Really fast, isn't it? What do you think of this colour?
Brilliant, lovely, nice and light, vibrant, motivating. So
I know we've still got one wall left over here.
Yeah.
And on this wall, we've got a full feature wall going in.
Right.
So I'm going to wait until you see it first and give me your reaction. And I know that we've worked on this a bit together to create this gym because you know all the machines, all the stuff that she does. So I really wanted to give her that sort of, a room, as you say, where she can come with you, with her physio, and it just be completely different. And now it seems massive in here.
It's a good space, actually.
Really good space. Do you think she'll enjoy using it?
Yeah, love it, love it. This is going to give her that extra boost because she's going to be able to come straight out of her bedroom into a space that's dedicated for fitness training.
I can't wait for her to see it.
Yeah, and me too.
I'll leave it to it.
All right, cheers, thanks.
Got a 2-hour round trip to her gym. Her friend and personal trainer Breffney's helping to convert Amy's old bedroom into her new home gym.
Gym room. Everyone's still sweating in here.
Yeah, not just yet. We're getting set up with the top bike.
Flooring's gone in now.
The flooring's down, yeah.
Think of this one now.
Yeah, it's nice, lovely, and it's what you want in a gym, nice and hard wearing. It's the kind of thing you kind of see in a lot of gyms.
It's quite nice, isn't it? It changed, now that pink carpet's gone out here. The pink was hurting my eyes a little bit.
Yeah, just a bit.
Now it's all changed. This has
just
gone in.
Finishes it off now, what we've done with the walls and the colour.
It feels like this room almost shouldn't be in this house.
Yeah, almost.
But it sort of works, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And now all the equipment's coming in.
Yeah, great stuff.
She's going to be so amazing.
She's going to be dumbfounded. I can't wait to see her face, actually.
You'll be here all the time now. Your own personal club.
It'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Jim! Or Bob, should I say?
Just have a sit down there.
OK.
OK, fully adjustable up and down, so if you gently pull up on that, that'll get you the height you want to go to. So, yeah, when you feel it, stand up a little bit, and that'll lift
OK, right, yeah.
You can then, this is fully adjustable, so you can go up and down, wherever you want to go. That'll do it, hold it there for you. Grab a handle.
This way, yeah?
Start spinning.
Which way? That way, that way?
Yeah, it's bi-directional, so you get reciprocal muscle work.
Excellent.
Yeah, and then you go backward as well, so you're not going to get the same muscle group tired out. It's bi-directional, so go backwards now.
This way.
That'll help as well.
I'm sort of thinking that everyone should have one of these private gyms at home.
It'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Breffney?
Yes?
What do you think now we've got all this in, it's going to mean to Sandra to have all this here?
I think it's going to make a great impact and difference to her life because rather than just driving all that way to see me twice a week, she's going to have that motivation of coming straight out of her bedroom into a space that's dedicated to her training, hopefully getting her walking, and hence
she'll be so shocked.
Because she's standing she's going to be dumbfounded, surprised, she's going to love it.
The room's been transformed into a fully functioning gym. Scott's got a range of exercise machines to help Sandra with her training programme.
This is your new gym.
Oh!
Your very own home gym.
Oh, brilliant. Oh!
What do you reckon to that then, eh?
Oh, it's fantastic.
What were you saying last week? In parallel bars?
Yeah.
You've got everything you could need, Sandra. Bars to practice the walk-in.
Yeah.
Upper body bike to keep the cardio fitness going. Therapy couch for when your physio's here, for doing any working. And then we've got a range of floor mats for when we do any floor work, soft weights, accessories, bands.
Yeah.
I always wanted to create that gym industrial feel.
Yeah.
So it's completely different to the rest of the house. You can just come in whenever you want.
I'll say 2 hours round trip to the gym and back.
The value of today's makeover is just over £18,000, and that doesn't include our labour. You can find all the details and further special information on our website, itv.com/60mm.